Acrylic sheet. Cutting acrylic sheet. Cutting PVC foam board. Cutting and bending aluminum channel letter strips. Preparing tools. Acrylic sheet. PVC foam board. Glue A. Glue B. LED module. LED power supply. Punch pliers. Rivet pliers, scissors, wallpaper, knife, magnet, electric drill, aluminum edge, strip. Combining acrylic and aluminum channel. Letter strips, combining acrylic and aluminum channel. Letter strips with glue. Fixing position with magnet. Using glue A. Using glue B. Fixing the tail seal. Marking the punching position. Punching with punch pliers. Fixing the end with rivets. Attaching LED module to PVC foam board. Drilling holes for LED module wires to leak out. Combining PVC foam board and aluminum channel letter strips. Channel letter strips and PVC foam board with screws. Luminous characters Hiruam finished.
High Tech Signage Solution.